Yes, I must say something else that is important. Um, it's about yeah, people that went completely out of their minds, completely crazy, in my opinion. And I stayed calm and relaxed and in balance with myself. But my friend David, he said to me, only calm can save you. So I never forget this sentence. Thank you. But what I must tell, yes, I must tell about my husband Peter. Yeah, that is the fact that he is saying that I'm a weak person, and he says a lot of lies about me behind my back, and he's so really angry against me. But I did do nothing, uh, not nothing, but I did do so less things wrong. Nobody's perfect, but the one that is to blame, it's he and not me. So he chose for the wrong people, and he even didn't realize what was happening. I mean, you must be really an idiot in your emotional life if you choose for the wrong people. Maybe you are very intelligent on other sides, but on emotional parts, some people they are really not normal. So yeah, I must tell something. Yeah, my weakness, in fact, is that I love Peter. So that is my weakness, and I'm not lying. I'm not playing. So yeah, you all do what you want to do. I don't change my opinion, but I didn't lie for anything. So yeah, that's the truth. So goodbye. Just laugh at it. I mean, people make mistakes. As long as you get it back on track again and make things right that you did wrong, then it's acceptable. But if you keep holding on things who are bad, then of course, then there is no discussion no more. But if you try to get it back in straight lines and correct like it was before, you do your best for this, then I'm always willing to talk. Okay. Bye bye.